Alright, comment down below if you think he looks like Eggman or Dr. Doofenshmirtz.
Ooh, looks good.
Clutch, what you doing there, bud?
I'm carving a face.
Alright, boys! Heads up! What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. All the boys are here today. Say hi, boys.
Hi, Corona.
Huh?
Nothing.
Dumbass. Alright, guys, we're gonna be installing some more shit on Greg's car today. But yeah, that's nothing out of the ordinary, just another more shit, you know, like you guys know and have seen before, even though I barely get 100 views a video. Yeah. But yeah, let's go ahead and start putting the random shit on. I'll go ahead and show you guys what that is right now. So yeah, today we're gonna be putting these shits on his car. These stickers. They're like gauge cluster stickers. It's gonna go on his cluster and basically just turn it blue. We'll be putting those on and later on in this video. These are the M1 and M2 buttons that go on the steering wheel. He actually got a steering wheel wrap that we're gonna be wrapping it with as well. But for now, we're gonna install these real quick. So we're gonna go ahead and put the new blue start and stop button real quick.
And then it should pull right off.
Oh, that's stickers too?
Theoretically.
There we go. A lot easier than pulling the whole damn trim apart. There we go. Looks pretty sick. That's how it looks when it's installed. And the light bleeds right through it too.
So what are you doing right now?
So basically we're going to take the cluster off. It's two T20 screws.
Two T20 screws to get that cluster out. So we could go ahead and put those new stickers on.
Bro, Stephen Curry, 7 for 21. I still don't put defense.
Alright, guys. We got the cluster out. What looking at us?
Eggman.
Oh my god, it does. Alright, comment down below if you think he looks like Eggman or Dr. Doofenshmirtz. I'll insert the pictures right here.
Why did I come, bro?
For the content, stupid. I'll buy you a car if I'm rich. Is that good enough?
Why'd
you pop up there?
Okay,
yeah,
cool.
but I'm first. So
Wait, is the warranty still good?
Warranty's good, yeah. You could just slap that back on. BMW will say, okay, no, this one good one to go.
Oh my god, it smells like something dying, bro.
Who farted?
In Ormond, bro.
This guy's pimples are puss and nothing about
Disgusting, bro.
God,
Something crawled up your ass and died, and I'm pretty sure it's a full-size cow.
Hey, how old are you?
Old enough to tell that's not
How
natural, bro.
how old
Go
are
get that
you?
checked.
How old are you?
Old enough to know that
How
my
old
hair,
are you?
You're
Give me a number.
You're forced to make my hairline recede more.
That's not possible. That's not possible. Okay, my head, you went too far. That's not possible.
22?
Yeah.
That's surprising because the cow's lifespan is 20. The cow's average lifespan.
Oh, they do live up to 20 years. Hold on, give it a quick. Yep, 20 years there.
20 years.
Cows do live up
Case
to
in
20.
2022, he's a living miracle.
Oh. Staples.
I wanted to get this
That
out
was
the whole
easy.
time.
Raz, why you quiet, brother, man? You're not supposed to be quiet, brother, man.
Too many harsh jokes going on.
You should stop shoveling chicken Alfredo down your throat at 1 a.m.
Hey. That's pretty good. Fat people are giving each other advice.
Nobody believes me. I despise Armand.
Okay, but what number is he on your hated list?
Okay, as of right now.
be higher than Todd.
No, Todd's actually low today. He's high. He's good.
I've been nice to him. He helped me out today.
What do you mean okay? I give you a massage.
You gave him a massage?
Yeah.
You're good.
What the hell's wrong with you?
Cut that part.
Okay, at the top right now is Osh for sure. Oh, he's number one. No doubt.
That's great. Awesome, great.
Oh, you got tea?
Not you. Him.
You legit said
He's
his
number
name
one.
as stretch marks. What are you
You
talking
said
about?
my name has diabetes.
Stretch marks. He said your name has stretch marks.
That was a long time.
Osh said diabetes.
Osh is at number one. Then we got Armand. Armand and Osh are tying at number one. And then we got Judah at a solid number four.
For real?
Yeah.
I was like 5 last time.
Bro, where's my hot cocoa? What are you doing?
Nothing.
You put tea in my Red Bull?
I put Red Bull in my tea.
Oh.
Get it straight.
I mean, you know, you've been getting a little edgy.
Yeah?
That's
Yeah.
That's impossible.
Alright guys, so the
Okay, back to work.
oil temperature goes on this side. And then the fuel goes on this side.
Your fuel's always gonna be in the middle. Hey, and then switch to RPMs and miles per hour. And then you can also go f yourself. Can you go get watermelon Red Bulls, please?
How many of them?
How much is that?
$100.
$100? Buy $100 with the watermelon Red Bull.
Do you have masks? I have no mask.
Can you give them masks? There's new masks in the drawer.
There's curtains on the window.
Oh, we got Pampers, man. We got Pampers.
I love you.
It's okay.
Get that cigarette away from me, asshole.
Hey, he's too strong. I can't hold him back.
I got problems.
My head.
He's too strong.
Just kick his car, man. It's fine.
Yeah? For you? Yeah, first now.
The bad thing is now we have to plug it in.
Now we gotta plug it in to see if everything lines up.
You put the stickers on? You have to tell the car to get out of zoo.
There we go.
That's good right there.
That lined up. Gas is lined up. Perfect. Plug it in.
Break yourself, fool!
Best thing to do is not open the present.
Break yourself, fool!
I just hold it.
Don't. That's rape.
Give him a kiss.
Nah.
What are you, gay?
Only off camera.
Who is it?
Open up.
Not off the door.
I have 13 Red Bulls with you.
Open up.
Open the door, boys. Open the door.
Roll in the Red Bull.
All right.
Give us
Let's-
the Red Bull.
Okay, I'll go home with
Put the Red Bull down and walk away. All right. Greg just got the fuel one done. Now he's working on the oil temperature.
We were just chilling, working on Greg's car. Hey, nice. Good deal.
Hey, are you getting to that weight though? Are you getting skinnier for it to get?
Oh, that's gonna be kind of.
Say heads up before you throw it to him, just in case.
All right, boys. Heads up! Thomas?
Yeah, I'm out.
You good? He wasn't even planning on hitting you. It just came towards you. You're just sitting at the wrong time. Where's the dent? Oh, there's a dent in it.
Where's the dent?
Clutch, what you doing there, bud?
You carving a face.
No pumpkin? You know it's December, right?
That's leftover pumpkin.
All right, let me know when you're done. A little update on what Greg's got done.
Nothing.
He got absolutely nothing. He got the middle part of the RPM done. Now he's got to do like the outer little edge because it's like two pieces for some odd reason.
It really is. They sell it at Brothers.
Looking good. You have one more to go.
That's gonna take 4 hours.
6 hours down. 6 more to go.
So over here we got Jake Paul right here.
We got Jake Paul and Floyd No Weather.
Gotta put like something behind too much weather.
Too much weather. Hurry up, my battery's about to die. Go. Arm, hold the damn pumpkin, bro.
That's what he did right there.
He's dead, bro.
Well,
There he is.
Gregory, did you finish installing this?
No, we changed our mind, so we took it back
Oh,
off.
okay, nice. Let's see what this looks like.
Hey, this is a nice.
Wow. That actually looks good. I'm surprised. Good job.
Hey, who is that supposed to be?
I've never seen Greg work on his car.
Now the blue button matches the freaking speedometer and shit. Next up, we got to do the steering wheel with the new blue buttons. Yeah, the steering wheel's gonna have a blue stripe also. So this is a little preview. You'll see it later on in this video though. For today, all we got done is just the cluster and
So this is pretty sick too.
the blue button. All right, guys, we'll catch you guys another day.
Peace.
Ciao.
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 All right, guys, we're back another day. Gregory's over here. We're gonna be. Are we finishing it up today?
Again, yeah.
We're gonna be finishing up his whole like interior ordeal. We gotta do his steering wheel and the buttons on his steering wheel, right?
That's it.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. We gotta move the car out the garage so we can move his in because it's cold as shit outside. Got the car pulled in here. About to turn the heaters on because it's cold as shit. Last time you saw us put in these new gauges, or the cluster overlays, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that's what it looks like now. Oh yeah, you also saw us put in the blue button. We're going to be changing these M1 and M2 buttons and also put in like a custom steering wheel overlay thing. That might take us a long time, So let's go ahead and get started on it now. So before we take the airbag off, we gotta turn the battery off or else it might explode. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Staples. That was easy. So here's a before of what it looks like, just so you guys get the idea.
Like shit.
Look like shit. Nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly what we got going on today. Like I said, we're gonna install the new M1 and M2 buttons. They're blue to match everything. He also got this M Performance carbon fiber. It's like a steering overlay thing. What do you call this? Steering wheel trim. As you can see, it says M Performance right here. All carbon fiber. The stock one is black and ugly. So he got this from Mashimaro.com or Mishimoto, I mean. He got this steering wheel cover that we're gonna be go ahead and stitching on. It's gonna have the M colors. It's gonna be red right here. There's a light blue, and then the stitching is gonna be like a darker blue. He got that from Amazon.com. It's this brand right here. If you guys want to get it, yeah, someone sponsor us, please. We need money to buy more car parts. But that also has the blue stripe right here, as you guys can tell. So the whole interior is gonna match and look good finally. So let's go. You're excused. I like your cut, G.
Just straight throwing shots. Finally.
You know what you're gonna need? A new car!
By the way, I have no idea what I'm doing.
Yeah, he has no idea what he's doing.
Alright.
That's off.
Nice.
So we got all the buttons off of the steering wheel. While he's gonna get started on wrapping the steering wheel, I'm gonna go ahead and change up these M1 and M2 buttons.
I didn't like the blue at first, but okay.
Bada bing bam boom. And just like that, the buttons are in. So we got one part of it done. This entire part right here is done.
Looks pretty good, actually.
It's looking pretty good. Stitching is good. Greg's starting on that side. I'm gonna have to put the camera down to help. Well, only about 3 hours later, the steering wheel is done. Wow. Shout out to Jakob. Jakob helped the entire way through. The entire way. Yeah, and Nadek and Khaj. It was what? It was a lot of work, huh? Good job, bro. There you go. Okay, show us that nice new steering wheel. Damn. Damn. Is that legitness? We got a doctor over here doing car stuff. Let's drive it. Okay, don't drift.
Pull the e-brake.
It's really nice. It's nice and like thick, you know. Can you do mine?
No. Just like that, she's all done.
Looks sick. Good job, boys.
Stole my heart. Like that?
Give me a kiss.
What up?
We can finally put this shit back.
Okay, plug in the battery real quick.
So we can blow up the airbag now. Okay, see how what's plugged in.
This one's, huh?
Yeah.
That's it. Alright, let's connect the battery and hope it doesn't blow up.
Kaboom!
What? Intro. What'd you do?
You're supposed to be here to help me.
Oh my god. Oh, this idiot forgot to put the bolt on. Hey, I'm just here to hold the camera, stupid. I'm not the one that forgot to. Jurgimus, you're driving back home and the steering wheel just comes off.
It's quick release. Bro, I'm like, that went on too easy. I think I forgot.
It's okay. You wanna look around, see if there's any more bolts?
Ooh, looks good.
Alla dina produkt, huh?
Looks like ass.
It's actually, no, it's pretty nice. It's really nice.
Why does Greg look like a lesbian?
What'd you say?
Shit. Thanks, Hachi Hopar. If anyone don't want their fries, I'll take them. Alright guys, we're all done with the car. Just pulled everything back in. Greg's about to leave.
Have a good night, boys.
Peace. Alright guys, this was probably a short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed all the installs. It was a couple of installs, but still, it was a little quick. That steering wheel took us a while actually, and the cluster inlays took a while also. But they came out pretty damn sick. Like for only, what, $70 that steering wheel cover was? Came out really nice. Without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.